Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your RushCard prepaid card so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your card and any accompanying documents. Make sure you have your card, social security number, and personal information ready for verification. Step 2. Activate online. Visit the official RushCard activation website at rushcard.com/activate or log into your RushCard online account. Navigate to the Activate Card section, enter your card number and other requested information, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. Step 3. Activate by phone. Alternatively, you can activate your card by calling the customer service number listed on the sticker attached to your card or on the back of the card. Follow the automated prompts and provide your card details along with any required personal information. Step 4. Confirmation. Once your card is successfully activated, you will receive a confirmation message online or during your phone call. Your RushCard prepaid card is now ready to use for purchases, online transactions, and ATM withdrawals.